welcome to the demo of the app I've been playing with for the last couple of Fridays. It's a QML interface to the mail program I'm using called notmuch. So let's start it up. So it's a fairly simple interface so far. On the left you can see all the threads which match the current search. So I'm currently searching for anything which is tagged inbox, which is my inbox is the tag everything gets as it comes in, and then as you read you delete that tag. You can see that it's all got the nice QML draggable interfaces, and you can change which thread you're reading, clicking around, or you can also use keyboard navigation and P change backwards and forwards on there. Let me find an interesting mail thread. This one. So in the pane on the right you have the messages for the current thread. So what it's showing here is that I've read most of the thread already, and there's one new mail come in into the inbox, which is the one that's currently active and currently expanded. The previous ones are currently hidden, but I can pick any one and expand it. You can see the actual displaying of the mail needs a little bit of work, but you can see the basic information at the top, and there is the plain text mail gets overflowed to the right, unfortunately, but if you expand, it's still there. It's because it's plain text mail. There's not a lot you can't really rewrap plain text mail without breaking some mail. But so I went with the compromise of allowing you to drag backwards and forwards if it was too big for the window. When the mail's collapsed, you get a little snippet of the body. It should be improved to actually strip out quotations and things like that, so you can see the actual content of the message straight away there. And there's a short display of the date on the right. So anything which is more than 24 hours old gets the date, and anything within the last 24 hours shows you the time. That allows you to quickly scan and see about when something was sent. So that's the message display. Again, you have keyboard navigation here. So you have J to go down a message and K to go up. Return, expands, and collapses that. So what else do we have? So there's a couple of nice features of QML that we're using here. So on the right, you can see that the messages are in sections based on the date that they were sent, and that's like 2 lines of QML to set that up, with a little bit of logic in the Python backend to associate that date with each message. But that was incredibly simple to do, and I was pleasantly surprised when I saw that. It doesn't reorder the messages to actually put them in its categories, so you have to have it sorted in the desired thing, otherwise you'll get multiple sections for each date. But that wasn't a problem because they were already sorted by date anyway. So at the moment the tags are only displayed on the threads, but they're actually assigned to messages in notmuch, but I haven't got them displayed over on the right yet. But for each tag you can click on the X next to it and it will remove that tag. So you can archive something by deleting the inbox tag, and again there's a keyboard shortcut for that. You can just hit A and it will delete the inbox tag. So it's a very quick way to triage your email in the morning. You just open up your inbox, and then it shows the first message, and you hit J to read all the messages in that thread, and once you're done, hit A and it will bring up the first message and the first unread message in the next thread. So not much is all search based. So up in the right you have the search box, and that currently displays the current search which you're viewing, and you can edit that to change the thread. And there is also the keyboard shortcuts for that again, where you can hit the magnifying glass or hit enter, and when you're anywhere in the interface you can hit S to start a new search, or you can hit F to do a filter, which is like to refine your search. So you can add terms into your search and narrow down your search like that. That's about all there is in the interface so far. There isn't anything for editing mail, fetching new mail, anything like that. That's still left to be implemented. But I'm very very impressed with how easy QML's made it to build such an interface. It was certainly more pleasant than doing everything in GTK, and it was very quick to build. And adding in all the dynamic changes, for instance, all the reflowing of things when you're expanding collapse messages and fading in and out different parts of the interface was just a few lines of QML to add. So I was very pleased with that. So that's it for now. Thanks a lot.